Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is going to be a second part video of Java Google Search Engine API. So Joshua asked me one question, that how is it possible to capture more URLs in the search result. So what he is trying to ask is when we Google anything, so there are a lot of pages that we get. So this is the first page that we are on right now, and then there are a lot of pages, okay, and there is a limit to search result which Google shows us per page. So what he is trying to ask is, like, let's say we want to scrape 100 to 300, so there is a big range now. So currently what code I had in this video is just scraping 7 Google results. So he wants me to tell him how we can capture a range of around 100 to 300. So there are two ways that I will be implementing. So I'll use the pre-existing code that I used for this video. So if you want to look more into it, have a look at this part video and then look at this video which I am currently doing. So let's start with the code and let's see what we want to implement. So this was the code what we had before. So this was the string URL which is going to search in the Google search and then get the result through JSoup. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how I'm going to implement and get 100 or let's say 300 results. So first you just have to copy this, remove the quotes because this ain't Java. Let's say last time I think I used Angular, so I'll be using that. Now when you do that, what you will get is you will get around these many results and then these many pages. So there is a limit like 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. You got 7 pages, 7 result in your first page, and Joshua wants us to get 100 or let's say 300 result. So how can we achieve that? So if you see one thing, this is our page number 0, which basically means start equals to 0. So if I do that, I'm still on the page number 1. As you can see, it is at page number 1. When you want to go to page number 2, you just have to do 10. So it's like 10 to the power 0 is page 1, 10 to the power 1 is page 2. So things like that, and you will go to page 2, and not exactly 10 to the power 1 or 2. It's just like you just have to add 10 to it. So when you go to 20, it is at page 3, and so on and so forth. When you do 50, it will be at page 4. Oh, 6. So things like that. When you do start, you can navigate to each page. So this is a way of pagination, and you can get as many results as you want, but then you have to create a loop which will start from 0 till the number where you want it to end. So which can be done, but it's not the exact scenario that Joshua was asking. So there is another parameter which is num. So if you do num equals to 100, it will fetch you 100 result in this page. So as you can see, there are a lot of pages now, right? And just like that, you can do 300 also. So now there are much more. So this is what we have to do. So let's try and run it on our Java. So what you have to do is, after keyword, you just have to do and. There is one more parameter, and then num equals to let's say 100. Save it and then just run it. So Angular, so as you can see, you got all the result. So I think, Joshua, that is what you were trying to do. So this is how you can achieve that, and it's pretty simple and a small code. So do let me know if you have any questions on it. but you might wanna check which parameter you want, because you can also use start to navigate to each page, and then you can use num to have the exact count in your current page. So that's how you can achieve it. And thanks for asking the question, it always helps me make new content. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, because I would love to get more subscribers to get motivated enough to make more videos. That will be really helpful. And stay tuned. Have a great day everyone. Bye bye.